Happy 40th birthday, Chang. We wish you all the happiness because you deserve it. We appreciate you and we love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Mary!
Happy birthday, sis. Wishing you all the best, syempre, dahil isa kang mabait na tao at thankful ako na dumating ka sa buhay ko, isa kang malaking surprise. Akala ko nasa 30s na ako, papunta na akong 40s is di na ako magkakaroon ng additional best friend. Pero life has full of surprises. Andyan ka and you've always been there. Lalo na sa downs, nakakaiyak, pero masaya ako na ikaw yung kasama ko. And ayun, praying for your safety, health, and syempre happiness. Thank you sa lahat-lahat and I hope you enjoy your special day. Happy birthday! Hi Chang! Happy birthday po! Alam mo ba na it's been 5 years simula nung bininyagan kita or binansagan kita nung pangalan Chang. Wala lang. Parang hindi ako maniwala na 5 years lang yun. Parang ang dami natin pinagdaanan. Recently nga, diba, nag-usap tayo nila Barbie na parang ang dami yung nagbago sa buhay natin. And I'm really, really happy for you sa lahat ng napanalunan mo sa buhay, and I'll always be here to cheer you on. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Maria!
Happy birthday!
Matanda ka na masyado, puti pa ako, bata pa. Takit sa Pinas or punta kayo dito sa October, layo naman kayo. Takis tayo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mary. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Oh, wow. Whee! Kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kakanta kayo, magiging tinola kayo. Ha? Gano'n. 40th. Okay. Happy birthday, Ate Mary, kasi kaya may ate kasi nga 40th birthday. Okay. Pasa ko na kay Richard. Oh, ano?
Happy birthday, Ate Mary! Happy 40th birthday!
Okay. More birthdays to come. Bye.
happiness, love, and good health always. I've known you since probably 11 or maybe younger, through BFF and Nancy. And so I'm glad I know, I met you, and you've been a part of my life. We've traveled a couple of times with Nancy. So I'm glad. And I, adore Shorty Matthew. So, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday, more birthdays to come. And hopefully we will, travel more together. And maybe next time, visit us here in Elk Grove, California, okay? So go with your Tita Nancy. So happy 40th birthday. God bless. And take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Diane! We love you, and this is for you.
창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임, 게임 스타트. 아파트, 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 아파트,
Hi, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. And matagal man tayo hindi nagkikita. Alam mo naman na one text away lang ako if ever na kailangan mo ko. And I appreciate yung friendship natin. If ever na may time ka ulit, magkita tayo ulit to catch up. See you soon. Bye and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Mary. I miss our accountability chances in the past, and how you've always been the Ate, always in the retreats, in the D group time. Thank you for all the love. I miss you. And my prayer for you as a mother is that ingatan ikaw at si Pao sa pagpapalaki kay Shorty. And my prayer for you as for your marriage is that ingatan din kayo ni Lord for protection for you and Pao, especially in staying united and being one in marriage. And lastly, my prayer for you as you is that I pray for peace. I pray that with whatever you will go through, lagi ikaw tumingin sa taas, and you will always find God, and that even if there's so many things going on around you, that peace that surpasses all understanding will always be in you, as the Lord grace you with every strength, an extra portion of grace, every season of your life. This is a new season. Enjoy. And yeah, we have the same God who journeyed with us in the past and even to today and tomorrow. Love you.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. As you turn 40 today, may your love for the Lord and His Word grow stronger and stronger.
Happy 40th birthday, Atsi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Diane! Miss ka na namin. Love you.
Love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Ate Diane. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon, 40 na. Parang, hindi ako makapaniwala na kahit ako malapit na rin mag-30. Anyway, I guess sobrang excited ako for you in this milestone. And so, at the same time, sobrang thankful ko rin na ikaw yung eldest cousin naming lahat na grabe yung na-take on mo na responsibility. Kahit yung mga arts and crafts ko nung grade school, tinulungan mo ako. Grabe. Ano yun, memorable moment. Tapos, ayun, I think sobrang swerte na namin na we have you to look up to na, ayun, para ka naming ate lahat. Atsi ka naming ate. So, ayun, sobrang nice talaga. And we really wish you all the best for you in these next few years. Exciting.
Yeah, we wish you a very healthy and memorable and fun 40s.
Yes, wow. Exciting. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ang wish ko sa'yo is good health and sana matupad lahat ng wish and goals mo sa life.
And wish ko naman is sana magkaroon ng kapatid si Matthew.
Ilang, God bless.
Happy 40th birthday, Mommy. Love you so much. Thank you for everything you're doing for us. Love you.
Mommy, 40 ka na, but don't worry. You don't look anywhere near 40. And I just want you to know that we appreciate you for everything that you are. And many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And I?
And I?
Hindi, ako yun. Titigan kayo. Video ba yan? Flip yung bride.
Excited lang po.
And I, sinabi niya and I. And I, Mayor Herbert Bautista, by virtue of the power and authority vested in me by law, calling on all those present here as witnesses, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted, and now pronounce you as lawfully husband and wife. You may now kiss your wife. Oh, hindi kasama ikaw. Dito. Okay, with the couple first. Mas magandang background. Kaya yung sabihin mo kayo yung...
Okay na ba?
1, 2, 3.